وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Ad-du'a is very important for whoever wants to remain steadfast upon the worship of Allah after Ramadan. The Prophet ﷺ, he was asked, or Salama, his wife was asked, what was the most abundant dua and Nabi ﷺ used to make? She said, كان يكثر أن يقول اللهم يا مقلب القلوب ثبت قلبي على دينك. Are you listening to what I'm saying? This is the most frequent dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. A man who was already guided, a man who is already guaranteed the paradise, a man who is the most beloved creation to Allah Azza wa Jal. And his most dua was, O turner of the hearts, he's calling to Allah. Keep my heart firm upon your religion. Keep my heart firm upon your obedience and upon your worship. Because the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he was asked, why is this your most frequent dua? He said, because the hearts of the slaves are between two fingers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah Azza wa Jal turns them the way He wants. Do you understand what this means? It means if you're desperate for guidance and you're begging that Allah Azza wa Jal bring you closer to His deen, then this is dua you're supposed to be making. Because your heart right now, as you're listening to me, is in the fingers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He flips and He turns it the way He wants. So show Allah sincerity, show Him honesty, that you want the path of righteousness, and Allah Azza wa Jal will grant it to you in a moment. Naam, Allah Azza wa Jal has given guidance to the most evil and wicked people that lived on earth. Why wouldn't He give it to you? You know, Umar radiallahu anhu was an evil man before he became Muslim. He was fed by the believers. He was doing horrible things. Can you imagine? In a moment, Allah turned his heart to goodness and righteousness, and he accepted Islam. Allahu Akbar. Where did this come from? Allah Azza wa Jalla is the one who guides the heart. So there is no doubt that ad-du'a is a huge matter for the believer that wants steadfastness after Ramadan and righteousness after Ramadan.